Hey everybody, welcome back to Wolf Phone Repairs. Today we are fixing iPad 9th Gen. Haven't done a video on one of these in a while, so I thought I'd show you. We get on the heatpad first and loosen the adhesive to remove the digitizer. It's a careful process, separating all the adhesive, not damaging any of the components underneath. Once we get that fully separated, we can go ahead and power it off. You can see here that the digitizer is separated completely from the iPad, but can still control the LCD, which is kind of fun to watch. So I power it off, and then I remove the LCD, which you have to do very carefully so as not to crack it. Separate the battery from the board so there's no power in it, and remove the digitizer. Then I remove the home button and transfer that to the new screen assembly. The bracket has to be placed exactly so that the actuator can click the button underneath. Then I clean the entire housing so that the new screen will adhere properly. Once that's done, we can reconnect the new digitizer and the LCD screen, close everything up, and we'll clamp it. Get the clamps on there, so apply pressure for a good hour or so, and that's it, good as new. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow.